Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a clickable checkmark in PowerPoint for macOS. Let's go. Open the PowerPoint app. Go to Insert and click on Shapes. Select the rectangle shape and create a figure. Select the style you like. You can change the outline style if needed. Go to the Insert tab and click on Icons. Select Interface from the list. Select the checkmark and click on Insert. Resize it and position it inside of the box. Change the fill and outline style if needed. Close the right side menu. Select the checkmark. Click on the Display the Selection pane on the toolbar. You will get a new toolbar on the right side of the window. Rename the shapes. Select the checkmark and go to the Animations tab. Set the animation to Appear. Select the checkmark from the right side menu. Click on Trigger at the top toolbar. Select On Click of Box from the list. Select the checkmark again. Set the animation to Disappear. Select the checkmark from the right side menu. Click on Trigger at the top toolbar. Select On Click of Checkmark from the list. Run the presentation. If you click on the box, the checkmark will appear. If you click on the checkmark, it will disappear. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!